Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Winifred from Hocus Pocus. So let's get started. To draw this cute witch, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now with my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and let's just spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So I'm just going to draw on two curves. Nice and simple. So about here and here, just two small curves. And then we're going to draw her eyebrows. So let's come up about right here and we're going to put in this steep angle and then curve down. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Angle up and then down. There. And then for her mouth, I thought it'd be really cool if I tried my best to make it look like her mouth. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to try and draw this oval. So right here, this tall oval right in the center. Try to do this nice and light, and then I'm going to thicken up the lips. So come about here and here. So top and bottom, we're going to draw a curve, and then right in the center, we're going to draw a straight line down for her teeth. And then come to the sides right here, kind of where the center would be, and you just kind of draw this little curve that comes out on both sides. So hopefully I've captured her mouth, and then from there let's go ahead and frame her face. So let's come back to where her eyes are, come to the top really close to the lashes, about right here. Give myself a point and about right here. And I'm basically just going to draw bottom of a U. So let's come down and around. So same thing here, come down. And I'm going to find my center, so let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. It makes it a little bit easier, and I'm just going to come down to my point right here. So as always, definitely turn your paper or your body, whatever you need to do to make it easier to draw these angles. From there, let's go ahead and draw the top of her head. So let's just imagine an oval, and her hair is kind of a big flame that comes out, right? So I'm going to find the center. So let's say about right here, I'm going to come down a tiny bit. So I'm just going to give myself a point right here. From here, we're going to go slightly up and around and then bring it down. So I'm just going to angle this a little bit to connect back to here. So same thing on this side, just go up a little bit, and then about right here, we're going to angle a little bit and then bring it down. There. Okay, so we have her forehead in. Then from there, we can go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm going to come right back to down to about right here. Just give myself 2 points. Same thing on this side. And then we're just going to wobble our way up for these waves for her gorgeous hair, right? So go up and let's see, nice and high. Let's see about right here. Come back in. So same thing here. And then in this area, I'm going to bring it down. Still wobbling towards the center. I'm going to dip in a little bit and then go back up. And connect. There. And then now that we have that, we're going to come back to the center and then we're just going to draw some waves as well to flare it out. just to give it some detail. And then let's see, let's come back to this area. I'm just going to draw a little indication of the bottom of her ear, and then we're just going to bring down a little earring, and same thing here. Oh, oops. Okay, wait, I'm going to put this a little bit in more, and then I'm going to put this part of her ear, and then put in an earring. There. Okay, I fixed it. And then here and there, we can just add in some little strands of hair that's popping out, just to make it extra cute for these crazy witches, right? Okay, so there. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw her body. These funny, wacky witches. So let's give her a little neck, and then right about here, I'm going to come down and draw her shoulders. So same thing here. There. Let's bring this, just now I'm looking at it, let's bring this angle a little bit more down. Okay, there. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to come about right here towards the center and draw a curve. So this is like her cloak that she's wearing. And we're going to come right back to this center and draw 2 curves. Let's bring this down a little bit more, because we need to wrap this cloak around her shoulders. So about right here, we're going to just go ahead and connect. There. Then imagine this is kind of like where her armpits would be if we were just drawing a normal outfit, right? We're going to come right back to here. And I'm just going to angle 2 lines here as well. And so let's just bring this down. I'm going to angle and angle. And then let's come back into here for some details. I'm going to come right back into this area towards the center. We're going to draw another curve. So let's bring this in a little bit more. So then come back right here, and we're going to connect. And just simplifying her outfit. It's very, very detailed. So I'm just going to put a little circle right here, and then we're going to split right here. So just keep bringing this down. Just say about right there. Let's bring this down more. So just take a look, see how tall you want to make Winifred here. So I'll just keep bringing this down a little bit more to say about right here. And here, so pretty to the same level. Then from there in this area, I'm going to split it, come down with a curve. Just one layer right here. And I'll pop this out a little bit. There. And then for the bottom of her skirt, I'm just going to come about right here and just going to wobble my way across. And then go back up. There. And there's 2 colors. So I'm going to come right here and just wobble slightly. So it's not too stiff. 2 lines. Right there. And then now her sleeves. So let's come back right into this area. Just pop it in and wobble a little bit. Now let's say about right here. I'm going to bring it in. Just simplifying it, and then just draw her hands right there, and same thing here. Bring this across about right here, and here, and then her hands. Just nice and simple. There. And then for the rest of her cloak, you can just kind of, let's see here, just bring it out about right here. And then I'll just go ahead and just draw a curve across. And here. There. Okay, so then now for some details in this area. Let's see here. Let's come back right here for her top. We're going to draw a curve across. and then 2 straight lines, and then a bunch of X's right here for some detail. There, and then we can come in here and just draw a little edge. You can definitely do this when you're coloring, so it's not a harsh black line, but just wanted to show you. And there's a lot of beautiful details that you can add when you're coloring. And she has a necklace that she's wearing, and I'm just gonna make it a heart to make it my Draw So Cute Winifred, right there. And let's see, what else am I missing? That is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw Winifred, one of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus, and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.